Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to share to you a tutorial on how to send a gift message on Instagram message or DM. So here I've already opened my DM and I'm going to send a gift message. A gift message is like a gift or a present message that you want to share into or you want to send to someone special. For example, your friend is having a birthday and you want to send some message, happy birthday, for example. And then what you need to do when you're done typing the message is just click on the magnifying glass icon besides the message, and you'll find the option here. You can choose which one you want to use. I'm going to use the gift option. Just click on this, and when he or she or when your friends open it, just click on the message and it will be open like this. It's so cute, right? And I'm going to send another one. Have a great day. And click on the magnifying glass again, and then just click on this and it will go like this. Okay, it's so easy, right? Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can send a gift message in Instagram message. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.